Hi everyone, I'm Rochelle with Originally Worn, and I want to show you the next workshop we're doing. I've partnered with Sip Downtown in downtown Kirksville, Missouri for this workshop. It's going to be August 1st at 2 p.m., which is a Sunday, so it's a great time to come and hang out, do a project, have a glass of wine, and be with your friends. So we're going to be working on this 18-inch round door hanger sign. It is stained and painted, and then this is actually a 3D cutout. It's not vinyl or anything like just painted on like that. And then, of course, it has an adorable bow. So if you're local, you should really try to come to that workshop. It'll be a lot of fun. If you can't come to that workshop, I will sell the kits online separately and ship them all over the country for you, or you can pick them up at my storefront in downtown Macon, Missouri. To sign up for the workshop, I'll put a link below to the events page, and you can contact Sip Downtown to put your name on the list. Otherwise, I'll also put a link to where you can order the kit. Hope you guys can join us. Happy painting!